Soda Slim, a supplement that supposedly helps you lose weight fast. Is it real, or is this just another scam designed to rip you off? Let's find out. You may have seen this video for something called the baking soda shot. According to the video, it was created by Dr. Ania Jastreboff. It supposedly helped Oprah, other celebrities, and somehow you can make it at home with just a few ingredients. Yeah, super simple, except the video never gives you the recipe. Instead, it tells you to click a link, because of course it does. So I clicked. The page has a long video and a bunch of glowing comments. People claim the recipe changed their lives. Small problem. The comments are fake. No profiles, no links, no likes, no replies. They're just static text pasted onto the page. Nothing works. That's deception number one. Now the video, it repeats the same story. Dr. Jastreboff created the recipe. Oprah used it. Celebrities used it. Anyone can make it, right? But after dragging this out forever, the pitch changes. Now the recipe is too complicated. The dosage has to be exact. And lucky for us, they have a solution. Soda Slim, a supplement that supposedly contains all the ingredients in the right amounts. Gotcha. By the end, fake versions of Oprah, Dr. Jastreboff, celebrities, and regular customers are all praising Soda Slim. Then comes the real point of the video. Buy the supplement. So, the baking soda shot was never a recipe. It was bait. They tease secret ingredients, reveal nothing, and push you into a supplement sale. When the video ends, a hidden sales section appears. Buy more bottles, pay less per bottle. Classic. I clicked through to check out. Now they want my personal details and credit card information, and the page is packed with pressure tactics. A 5-star rating, badges for FDA Registry, GMO-free, GMP, and made in the USA. Very official looking, except the badges don't link anywhere, no certificates, no proof that Soda Slim works, just icons. Come on. Then there's another rating, almost 10 out of 10, and supposedly 26,000 reviews, 26,000 happy customers. Where are they? No links, no review pages, no evidence, just a giant number. Then come the huge discounts. Everything is designed to make you buy fast before you stop and think. Scroll down, and there are photos of supposedly happy customers, but zoom in. The image looks fake, most likely AI generated. Anyone else see that? Now let's check real reviews. The site claims more than 26,000 people bought Soda Slim. So I checked Trustpilot, and what did I find? Only a handful of reviews. One reviewer said the experience was nothing like they expected. Worse, they said taking the product led to a bad outcome. And this is not the first time I've seen the baking soda shot trick. I've covered other versions before. Same Oprah video, same miracle recipe, same ending. Buy the supplement. One version was called Alkaline, another was called Alka-Slim. Different name, same playbook. Trustpilot also has negative reviews for those products. People call them deceptive. They call them scams. They say the supplements did not work. So why do Oprah and Dr. Ania Jastreboff appear in these videos? They don't. They have nothing to do with these products. The videos are deep fakes. Their faces, voices, and images are used to promote questionable weight loss methods and deceptive supplements. Both Oprah and Dr. Jastreboff have warned people about this, and that information is easy to find online. So when you see an ad where Oprah or Dr. Jastreboff supposedly promotes a miracle weight loss supplement, ignore it. Don't believe it. It's not a secret recipe. It's a sales pitch built on fake comments, fake endorsements, fake urgency, and fake proof.